Hi, my name is Bintu, and in this lecture of Python we'll learn how to write comments. We all know that comments are very important for any programming because it helps in enhancing the documentation of the program. Your program can be easily readable by anybody else if the comments are properly written, why this formula is used, what is this statement, what is the logic being used in the program, right? So one thing we'll learn how to write single line comments and multiple line comments in Python. Secondly, we learn how to display multiple lines through single print statement. Through print statement, we know how to display a line, right? But how to display multiple lines through one print statement, this is what we learn. And thirdly, we learn how to use escape sequences. We understand that mostly we have gone through /n/t as the escape sequences, that is line feed character and tabs. But beside this, what are other escape sequences, right? So we'll understand each of them. Let us start. In this lecture, we'll be learning how to display multiple lines with single print statement, how to use comments, how to use escape sequences. For example, this is the program for escape sequences. /n is for taking the control to the next line. It's a line feed character. This /v is for backspaces. The cursor will go one character back, right? This /apostrophe is for displaying apostrophe in the output. So we'll be understanding these all escape sequences. We'll be running such programs and we'll be seeing the outputs also. These are the all programs that we'll be understanding in this lecture. So watch the video up to the end. Let us start step by step. So we'll be learning how to write comments in Python programming, single line comments as well as multiple line comments, how to print multiple lines with a single print statement, and how to use escape sequences. This is all we learn, and these are the programs that we'll be learning step by step. First of all, I'll start with the last lecture's program. This was the program in the last lecture that we saw. How to calculate area of a circle. This was the formula pi r square. I just wanted to tell you one thing. See, I am copying it into my Spider IDE. See, this is the program, right? It is asking me to enter the radius. Say, suppose I enter 5. This is the answer, right? Here I want to tell you that if I don't use the %f as a format specifier, it will display the precise result, right? So this is the precise result, 78 point something. Up till the 14 or 16 places of decimals, right? And here 0.2f means you want the result up till 2 places of decimals, right? See, can you see that? 78.54. But if suppose you do some mistake here while specifying the format specifier, suppose you write %d here. D is for integer. So you'll get the result truncated. Your decimals values will be truncated. See, if I run it, it's asking me the radius. Suppose I enter 5 again. See, can you see that? The decimal values are truncated. So you got to be very careful while writing the format specifiers. Okay, so we'll start with the today's lecture. This is the program. Let me tell you what it is doing. Print 10. See, if you write 10 in apostrophes, that means 10 is a string. But if you want to declare it as a digit, as an integer, you can avoid the apostrophes. So this 10 will be displayed as a digital, as an integer. Here you can see that you get the output house life. Python says that you can enclose the strings in double apostrophes or single apostrophes. Single quotes or double quotes, right? So if you're using double quotes and in the string you get something in single quotes, it will be displayed, right? So you get the output house with the apostrophe above s. Okay. And what is this hash for? It is for writing comments. So that means this line, you can use single or double quotes for strings, will not be compiled. It is just for documentations, right? Here you can see that you are displaying the string with single apostrophes. See, we provide. Now, if you write the string enclosed in single apostrophe and you are using double apostrophe in between, that means compiler will know that it has to be displayed as such. So what is the output you will get? We provide apples, mangoes and oranges. Apple, mangoes and oranges will be displayed enclosed in double apostrophes, right? So these single apostrophes will be to declare the beginning and closing of the string, and these double apostrophes will be declared as they have to be displayed in the output. What is this slashes used for? See, in this print statement, you are using single apostrophe for the string, right? So hello world will appear. By writing single slash, backslash, means that the next line is the part of this print statement only. The output of this will also come in the same line. So hello world, it's hot today, will also appear in the same line, same row, and it will be displayed through the same print statement, right? Again, by this backslash, the computer will understand that the next line is also the part of the same print statement. So let's party will also appear on the same line through the same print statement. So you'll get the output hello world, exclamation point, it's hot today and let's party on the same line, right? And here you can see that either you can use the triple single quotes or you can use the triple double quotes to display on separate lines through the same print statement. So this hello world, it's hot today and let's party will not appear in the same row as by using these backslashes. And here can you see that these are the triple double quotes. These triple double quotes or triple single quotes are used for commenting out. The line like you can use triple single quotes or triple quotes for the strings that span multiple lines will not be compiled. It is just for documentation. So let's see the output of this program. Let's copy it and paste it here and run it. See, 10 is displayed. Horse life, you'll get the apostrophe because you are using double apostrophe for the string and the single apostrophe you're displaying. This won't come as the output because it's just for comment. You can see that apples, mangoes and oranges will appear in the output because single quote is used for opening and closing the string, right? Hello world, it's hot and let's party. It will appear on a single row wherever you get the space, right? And hello world, it's hot today and let's party will appear on separate lines as they are used in the print statement. You can use triple single quotes or you can use a triple double quotes, and this is for the multiple line comments. Can I use this multiple lines to a variable? Yes, you can. See, what you're using that triple double quotes, this is for telling the Python that my multiple line which has to be assigned to this variable k are going to start now, and this is to demonstrate that my multiple line statements is over. And you are using double apostrophes to be displayed, right? So what you're doing then, multiple lines assigned to a variable and printed using single print statement. This whole 4-line statement enclosed double apostrophe will be assigned to variable k and you are displaying the variable k. So you can directly print as well. You can assign to a variable and display through the triple double quotes or triple single quotes, right? See output. You can see that you have used your double apostrophe in the output. You can remove that or you can use single quotes also. See, this is escape sequences, right? See, /n means line feed. Go to the next line. So what will happen by this print statement? Hello world will appear. By /n, the control will go to the next line. So it's hot today will appear on the next line. Okay. Festival sale exclamation point will appear. By this /b means backspace. So the cursor was standing after exclamation point. By backspace, the cursor will come on this exclamation point. Again by this, the cursor will come below E. By again backspace, the cursor will come below L, backspace, below A, and again backspace, the cursor will come below S. Now when you write offer, the sale exclamation point will be overwritten by offer. So the output will appear as festival offer instead of festival sale exclamation point. Isn't it? We've seen it already that if you're using single apostrophe when the string is enclosed in double apostrophe, it is displayed, right? But if you're using the single apostrophe for displaying the string, the slash is required. The backspace is an escape sequence to tell the compiler that this apostrophe has to be displayed. It should not be considered as closing of the string. If you don't use this backspace, the computer will understand that the string is over here only and the rest of the lines will be declared as error. Okay. And here also you can see that you're using double apostrophe for enclosing the string. So when you use double apostrophe in the string itself, computer will understand as the closing of the string. But if you use backspace as a escape sequence, that means the compiler will understand that this apostrophe has to be displayed. It is not for closing the string, it is to be displayed in the output. So you get the output, he said, I am going enclosed in double apostrophe in the output. When you write a single slash, it is to declare that the next has to be displayed. When you are using two backslashes, one backslash is to declare that the following is the escape sequence and will be displayed. So you get the output text enclosed in the backslashes. Okay. Bell sound. The /a will get you a bell sound on your computer, right? So this is for warning the user for something. /t is for tab spaces, for aligning. Proper alignment. Tab is, we've seen it in the row of Q, you will find a tab space on the keyboard. Same, it will get you the spaces. So let's copy it and let's run this. You can see here. hello world, and this it's hot today has appeared on the next line because of this /n, that is line feed character. Festival sale won't appear, festival offer has appeared because by these backspaces you taken the cursor back to S character, right? Isn't it will appear here? Isn't it has appeared with the help of the escape sequence, right? Hello, he said I am going has appeared with the apostrophe because of the escape sequence again. Test enclosed in the backspaces has enclosed by the backspaces by these two consecutive backslashes. Bell sound has appeared by /a. Name, you can see that tab spaces here. Email address, again tab spaces. So these are the escape sequences that we use in this program. I am providing you the link of the code in the description box. If you followed this lecture, kindly subscribe to my channel, share the video please, and do write your comments. I need your comments and knowing what type of problems you want me to solve through this Python tutorials. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.